precious angels! Today's video I'm doing a James Charles makeup tutorial. This video was inspired by Jenna Marbles and I love her so much. So I'm going to be copying them and I'm going to be following James Charles' tutorial. And yeah, I've already done my foundation and stuff, so I'm just going to be doing his eye makeup. So I've got all these palettes here that I'm going to be trying to use just to copy his makeup because I need to compromise with what I've got because I don't have the exact stuff that he has. But yes, I've got a lot of glitter and stuff, so this should be pretty spot on. Hopefully I can do this.
I'm first going to start off with my M441, dipping into Wine and Dine and putting that in my crease as a transition color.
So James Charles went in for Wine and Dine and I'm going in for Les Shame. I don't even know shame. I don't even know how to say that. It's this palette. This is the color I'm going to be using on my fluffy brush, which is by Lamora. I'm going to be putting this on my crease. I want to be able to do makeup as well as James Charles do it. I wish James Charles could do my makeup. Give this video a like if you agree that you wish James Charles could do your makeup for you because he's so good at it. I really like this color and it's coming out so smooth. Ah, I feel so happy. Oh my gosh, hopefully I can do this almost as good as he does it. I really hope that I get my glitter on point because once I did my glitter and it literally, when I do glitter tears, it turned out terribly. I said to my boyfriend, hey, does this look good? And he was like, yeah, that looks good. But it didn't look good at all. I actually did glitter tears again and it did turn out well. So I was so happy that I was able to achieve glitter tears because I did not know how to do it perfectly at first. So yeah, I'm really happy. Hopefully, fingers crossed, it turns out good this time. I'm just going in lightly with this color. This is such a good makeup palette. This is my favorite color on the makeup palette. I just want to use this color all over. Okay. Now we've done this.
Next I'm going to grab an M433 on the same shade, Wine and Dine, and deepen up my crease and outer V.
I don't have very many pinks, but I have this Naked Urban Decay Cherry palette, which can be my best friend. Yeah, I'm going to use Bing in Urban Decay Cherry, this one. I'm happy now, it's turning out more soft. And that's what I'm approaching here.
Putting this in my crease in circular motions, and when I get to the outer corner, I'm also going to pull this eyeshadow out and up in like a outward V wingy shape.
It's crazy because every time I try to do a wing with eyeshadow, I'm so like, how do I do it? But like, hopefully I can do this right now. It's kind of failed a little bit, but oh well. I wish I was as good at doing makeup as James Charles. Jenna Marbles is so cute. I'm so happy I've been watching her for many years.
I'm also dragging whatever the excess product is on this brush into the lower lash line because we're going to have a lot of stuff going on down here.
I'm taking Les Shame again on a slanted brush like this. I'm going to put this underneath my eye, the way James Charles did it. Now I'm going in with Brunch.
To do a half cut crease today, I'm going to use my M170-0 and this foiled pink shade on my lid.
And I'm going to do a half cut crease.
I forgot my glitter glue at home, classic James, so I just used my eyelash glue and some craft store glitter, both things that are typically not safe, and just did this half cut crease. I would not recommend that strategy. I would definitely recommend using regular glue and cosmetics grade glitter, but when you're me, sometimes things don't always work out.
Now this is the fun and messy part. James Charles has gone in with glitter and I have all these kind of glitters here, these pink glitters that I'm going to use. Wow, look! Pretty. Okay, I've done this thus far. I tend not to put glitter on my eyelid because I used to, but now I found that it doesn't really work for me, but this has turned out pretty alright.
For the lower lash line, I'm going to be gluing on all sorts of different styles of glitter. I'm going to use this really pink fine glitter, this pink glitter that's a little bit more chunky, and then these pink heart sequins.
I'm putting glitter glue here underneath my eye in like a teardrop shape, like in a V shape, so the glitter looks like glitter tears. He can do face paint so well. I just wish he would do that on me, and I feel like it's so incredible the way he uses his paint. And I want to know what tools he uses, like what paint does he use and how does he do it, like, because I want to copy that, but like I so don't know what he uses. I want to know. He needs to like link it down in the description. If any of you know of what he uses, then please do tell me. I kind of tried and failed with this glitter, so I'm not too fond of it. Oh my gosh, I'm such a fail. Why can't I get it right? This one looks so much nicer than that one. I literally need to take that off. This is a very glittery makeup tutorial, so this is a hard one to do well. That is the end of my video. I know I did not turn out like a beauty queen, but I hope that I did it sort of kind of well. It was so fun following James Charles' tutorial. I hope that I was able to surprise you with the fact that I did this kind of okay. Alright, thank you James Charles for the makeup tutorial, and also I love you Jenna Marbles, and thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give me a thumbs up because it helps me out a lot. And also remember to subscribe for weekly videos every single Thursday because I upload every single week. And click the bell next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time I upload a YouTube video. By the way, if somebody's spreading drama about me, but they're trying to get their fans to hate on me and they pretend like they're worried about me, please do not listen to those people. People who say that they're worried but try to spread rumors, judgments, or say horrible things about me and this and that, just don't involve yourself in any drama that anyone tries to get you in. And yeah, I'm just gonna ignore anyone who's trying to bring drama into my life because everyone's done that in the past. And yes, just focus on the people who love me because that's what matters most. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye!